Blurred vision is a common and often overlooked symptom that could indicate underlying health issues, particularly those related to blood sugar levels. While many people might dismiss occasional blurriness as tiredness or eye strain, persistent or recurring episodes could be a subtle yet crucial hint that your body is struggling to maintain optimal blood sugar levels. In this video, we will explore the connection between blurred vision and blood sugar imbalances, the potential causes, and the importance of recognizing these hints for early intervention. Understanding blood sugar levels. Before delving into the relationship between blurred vision and blood sugar trouble, it's essential to understand the role of blood sugar, glucose, in the body. Glucose is the primary source of energy for cells, and its levels are tightly regulated by insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas. When this delicate balance is disrupted, it can lead to various health issues, including diabetes. Blurred vision as an early warning sign. The eyes are highly sensitive to changes in blood sugar levels. Elevated blood sugar can cause the lens inside the eye to swell, affecting its ability to focus properly. This can result in blurry vision, difficulty focusing, and even temporary vision loss. If you experience intermittent or persistent blurred vision, it is crucial to consider it as a potential warning sign of blood sugar trouble. Causes of blurred vision in relation to blood sugar. Diabetes. Type 1 diabetes, an autoimmune condition where the body does not produce insulin. Type 2 diabetes, the body becomes resistant to insulin's effects, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. Hyperglycemia. High blood sugar levels, even if not indicative of diabetes, can cause temporary vision issues. Hypoglycemia. Low blood sugar levels can also contribute to blurred vision, as the brain and eyes require a steady supply of glucose for proper function. Diabetic retinopathy. A diabetes-related complication that damages the blood vessels in the retina, leading to vision problems. Recognizing the importance of early intervention. Ignoring blurred vision as a minor inconvenience can have serious consequences. Early detection and management of blood sugar imbalances can prevent the progression of conditions like diabetes and reduce the risk of complications. Regular eye checkups, blood sugar monitoring, and a healthy lifestyle are crucial in maintaining overall well-being. Tips for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Balanced diet. Consume a diet rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Limit the intake of processed sugars and refined carbohydrates. Regular exercise. Engage in physical activity to help regulate blood sugar levels and maintain a healthy weight. Monitor blood sugar levels. Regularly check blood sugar levels, especially if you have a family history of diabetes or experience symptoms like blurred vision. Medication adherence. If diagnosed with diabetes, follow your healthcare provider's recommendations regarding medications and insulin therapy. Stay hydrated. Adequate hydration is essential for overall health, including blood sugar regulation. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help flush out excess sugars from your system. Manage stress. Chronic stress can contribute to blood sugar fluctuations. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to promote emotional well-being. Adequate sleep. Ensure you get enough quality sleep each night. Poor sleep patterns can affect insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, potentially leading to blood sugar imbalances. Regular eye exams. Schedule routine eye examinations, especially if you are at a higher risk for diabetes or other blood sugar-related conditions. These exams can detect early signs of diabetic retinopathy or other eye issues. Educate yourself. Understand the symptoms of diabetes and other blood sugar-related conditions. Being aware of the signs allows for early detection and timely intervention. Consult healthcare professionals. If you experience persistent blurred vision, seek prompt medical attention. Healthcare professionals, including ophthalmologists and endocrinologists, can conduct thorough examinations and recommend appropriate interventions. Blurred vision serves as a crucial indicator of potential blood sugar trouble, signaling the need for proactive measures to safeguard your health. By adopting a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, proper hydration, stress management,
and consistent monitoring of blood sugar levels, you can significantly reduce the risk of developing diabetes-related complications. Remember,
your vision is a valuable asset, and any changes should not be taken lightly. Ignoring the signs can lead to more severe health issues down the road. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and prioritize your well-being. By taking the necessary steps to maintain healthy blood sugar levels,
with a proactive mindset and a commitment to a healthy lifestyle, you can not only address blurred vision, but also promote overall wellness for years to come. Blurred vision is a subtle yet significant hint that should not be ignored.
Recognizing its potential connection to blood sugar imbalances can serve as a valuable prompt for early intervention. By prioritizing a healthy lifestyle, regular checkups, and awareness of your body's signals,
you can take proactive steps to maintain optimal blood sugar levels and safeguard your vision in the long run. If you experience persistent or worsening blurred vision,
consult with a healthcare professional promptly to address any underlying issues.